Hello, students. Today we are going to learn a beautiful and fun poem, A Dark Sail Ship by Barbara Holland. I saw a ship a sailing on the sea. The poet says he saw a ship moving smoothly on the sea. कवी सांगतो की त्याने समुद्रावर एक जहाज पाण्यावर तरंगताना पुढे सरकताना पाहिले. And oh, but it was laden with pretty things for thee. The ship was loaded with many beautiful things, especially meant for you. ते जहाज सुंदर वस्तूंनी भरलेले होते आणि त्या वस्तू खास तुझ्यासाठी होत्या. There were competes in the cabin and apples in the hold. Inside the ship's cabin there were sweets, competes and the holds, storage part of the ship. There were apples. जहाजाच्या खोलीत गोड मिठाई कॉम्पिट्स होती आणि जहाजाच्या तळघरात होल्ड्स सफरचंदे ठेवलेली होती. The sails were made of silk and the mast were all of golds. The sails of the ship were made of soft and shining silk and the tall mast were made of golds. जहाजांचं पाल मऊ रेशमी कापडांची होती आणि उंच मस्तूल सोनेरी बनवलेले होते. The 4 and 20 sailors who stood between the decks. There were 24 sailors standing between the ship's decks. जहाजांच्या मजल्यांमध्ये 24 खलाशी उभे होते. Were 4 and 20 white mice with chains about their necks, but these sailors were not humans, they were 24 white mice, each wearing a chain around its neck. पण ही खलाशी माणसं नव्हते, ते 24 पांढरे उंदीर होते, ज्यांच्या गळ्यात साखळी होती. The captain was a duck with a jacket on his back. The captain of the ship was a duck wearing a jacket. त्या जहाजाचा कप्तान एक बदक होता ज्याने जॅकेट घातले होते. And when the ship began to move, the captain said quack 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 quack. When the ship started to move, the duck captain gave a command by saying quack quack. त्या जहाज सुटायला लागल्यावर बदक कॅप्टनने आदेश दिला quack quack quack. This poem is full of imagination and fun. A duck is the captain, mice are the sailors, and the ship is magical with sweets, apples, silks, sails, and golden mast. Children, isn't exciting?